Hello, my name is Ambikesh Prasad and I am a certified game thinking coach and consultant. As part of our certification, we were asked to do a game thinking teardown, which is essentially a deconstruction of what the path to mastery looks like on an existing application. It cleared a lot of cobwebs for me, and I have heard rave reviews from all my audience members. So today I'm going to share the game thinking teardown of an existing application, a very popular online travel agency called Make My Trip. I'm sure a lot of you have heard of Make My Trip or are using it on a regular basis. So let's see what the path to mastery looks like on MMT. We begin with the first stage, which is discovery. This is what the discovery story looks like for a user discovering MMT. When I want to book my travel, I want to go to a marketplace where I can find all travel and lodging options so I can search, compare, and book my preferred travel itinerary under one roof. At the discovery stage, the user is asking the following questions. What is it? Is it right for me? What is the value proposition? These are some of the ways MMT answers these questions. If you look at the App Store, the tagline is pretty clear. Book flights, hotel, bus, and rail. Even the website search on Google communicates the value proposition very clearly. Best deals on flights and hotels. Let's move on to the next stage of user journey, which is onboarding. Onboarding is for newbies on your platform. So the onboarding story for MMT looks something like this. When I log in to the Make My Trip platform, I want to understand what are the facilities available on the platform, so I can start using the features as per my need. On MMT, when you start using the app for the first time, you can create a new user account or use an existing platform like Google or Facebook to log in. Remember, onboarding is also a stage where the platform can learn more about the user. That's exactly what MMT does by providing these easy login options. Once you are in, the home screen menus clearly display the different types of services offered on the platform and the various sections of the app. Another important aspect of onboarding is personalization, and MMT offers various levels of personalizations. From basic stuff like updating your profile picture to more elevated things like maintaining a list of your frequent co-travelers and your credit and debit cards. MMT also has a wallet feature where they capture and display earned rewards and benefits of the user. This is how the user becomes invested on the application. All these components of the app are aimed at drawing the user in and showing them the ropes. Now we move on to the third and most important stage of the user journey, which is habit building. This is the stage on which you should work on first when you are trying to develop a new application or a new MVP. Here's what the habit story looks like for an MMT user. When I am booking my travel itinerary, I want to be able to search and compare different flight, hotel, travel options so I can book the best deal for my travel. As we can clearly imagine, the core activity for which we go to MMT is searching for flight or hotel options, and the system gives us a feedback in the form of search results. The results can be sorted and filtered using various preferences. Another component of habit building on any platform is how it communicates progress to the user. MMT does this by awarding user points for each booking. They also notify the users when they are close to a progress milestone. Another crucial lever of habit building is re-engagement, and MMT does this by using app notifications, SMSs, WhatsApp messages that redirect you back to the app. We now arrive at the final stage of user's journey, which is mastery. This stage may or may not be applicable for your particular application, but it's definitely visible in MMT. Here's what the mastery story looks like for MMT. When I have been a regular on the platform, I want to receive certain benefits or privileges on this platform, so I can feel that my loyalty to the platform is being realized and rewarded. MMT has a loyalty benefits program called MMT Black. Based on your transactions on the app, you receive MyCash, which you can redeem against purchases made on the app. Users may also redeem it against vouchers and other third-party gifts. There's a paid service also called Double Black that gives further privileges like cancellations without charges, special gift vouchers, premium on-trip support, etc. I hope this game thinking teardown has got you thinking how to design the path to mastery for your product or platform. If you have any questions or would like to explore how game thinking can help you in your project, please reach out to me at gamethinking.india@gmail.com. I would be thrilled to hear from you and to work with you.